Hakasin Banyngkong ka Nongbah Shillong kalap Pdiang ban penlong ya ka International Film Festival balai sngi haulaber arpusan arpun reu bat arpu nyau tarik ha State Convention Center. Ki film ki ban pen ipat ba ha ka ka festival kin thop ikitu ki ba pen mi ha ki we pat kiri bat ki ba nakari India. Kani ka festival balai sngi kan ketik bat aiman si me ki reu dan sab pen mi film ka jela ban sandur ya ki film bagi temu ban pen mi ha ki por bandangwan. Uba lakman rumbui ulapan pau ka jinget baskem bakani ka International Film Festival kan wanra ka jing mentoy ka bakraw ya ki riu dan sap ko jela bad u angnut ka festival kan long ka bayat bet yat renti bat ka job kumbara thmu ya ka ban long ka Meghalaya ka long ka we ni ki jela ba internet hakari India ka badon ka Mariang ba Pdiang ban penmi film ki ban penjau du de ki briu ni ki we pat kiri ka perthai.
Launching all this program, I just want to briefly about the initiative of the government of Meghalaya, with the support of the government of India, that this year the government of Meghalaya through the IPR will formally held the Shillong Film Festival on the 25th till 27th of March 2026. As Commissioner Secretary mentioned, that this is the path breaking because many things have to follow after this. In this festival, there are so many components which is there. Number one, we are very happy that there are so many entries from other part of the country, other part of Northeast, and also from other part of the outside the country, which will be screened in that film festival, which will held at the State Convention Center here in Shillong. So the main why the government held this festival. As you know, Meghalaya is blessed with unique culture. We have unique topography, geography, and the tourist spot. All over the landscape of Meghalaya itself is a tourist spot, which will enable the people from all over the country, all over the world to come, and if they have to shoot their film and come, and by coming here, it will open the eye of our youth. More importantly, it also help the youth to hone their skill with the help of those international acclaimed film producer or director, as the case may be, and also to promote our state. And as you know that the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya is not very recent. In fact, 40 years, more than 40 years back, there is one first Khasi film which is being shoot, I think, the Lighthouse Emma. And then after that, then we have a color film by the name of Manik Raitong, somewhere in 1983-84, if I remember correctly. So, and after that, there are so many budding artists and so many budding producer and so many director who come and venture into this. And now in the state of Meghalaya, if you see, there are many producer or many director, many film from different part of the state in different languages. And I also am very happy that is where we will keep training, or we will try to keep the training to the budding producer or director, the process of filmmaking and what it is there, so that we will empower them. As I said, this is the first stage. And number three, during the course of the film, there are so many things which we have to do. And so that's why I feel that since it is the first Shillong International Film Festival, which we organized by the Directorate of Information and Publication Government of Meghalaya, it is my duty and to formally announce to the people of the state and the people of the country that on 25th till 27th, there will be a film festival in the Shillong to be held at the Shillong Convention Center here in Shillong. So I welcome each and every, especially you, to come to witness and more importantly to familiarize with them with the process of filmmaking, process of editing, and so on and so forth. And as you know, that our Honorable Chief Minister have a vision to give the opportunity to each and every youth of the state depend on their skills. This is a part of the mission, how to give an opportunity to the youth of the state. So that's why we are here today. And in this part of the, I took this opportunity also to congratulate many of our producer and director. As you know that recently that Halang Khabening Pradip Kurba won the awards, and also the Chanchi Swa produced by Elva Chira Sangma and Dip Nakar Dance. They have won also the award. And there will be a screening also of Nakachiti by Kong Simi Kong Thiang. And as I said before, there will be a film from outside the country also. So that's why we formally announce. So once again, I invite everybody to be part of this film festival, and I request the officers and staff of the DIPR and the organizer to see that this festival, though it is the first time to be organized by DIPR, to see that everything runs smoothly for the success of this, because once it is success, it will empower us to do more in the years to come. Thank you. Festival. Thank you.
Vẫn y trailer tập.
We can share this. You can take. We will share this.